What's going on, YouTube? I've got concrete coming at lunchtime, 12. I've got to get a few posts painted just to protect them from rusting in the future. So we'll get into that and we'll get these posts in the ground. We'll get this concrete in, eh? So probably the worst job in Colorbond fencing, I think, would be waterproofing your bottom of your posts. This ensures they don't rust in the future, which is good for longevity. So I think this is a major thing to do. Anyone that doesn't do it shouldn't be putting posts in the ground, is my opinion. So it's not going to happen standing here, so let's get this done, eh? All right, so now that's done. I've painted 5 now, 5 posts. So I'm going to do the other 9, get them all painted up so they're ready for concrete. I think once you've seen it once, it's pretty boring to watch, so I won't show you again. So yeah, let's get into it. Righto, concrete truck just left. All the holes are filled up with concrete now. So next step is to drop all these posts in and get them plumb and get it all looking mint, nice and straight. So I've got a mark here, so my mark goes on my string line. That'll give me my top, it's all nice. So important your post not to touch your line. Otherwise, because you got so many posts, what will happen is if your posts start hitting that line and then it'll start leaning this line out and then the whole run will be off. So I always leave sort of a 5mm gap between my line and the post. Concrete's still a bit wet, but I'll get them all in. Get them all roughly in their position, and then as the concrete goes off, I can move them around a bit. Move them around a bit and get them to exactly where I want them. So, all my posts are in. So now we've got to give it a few days for that concrete to set. This hole turned into bigger than Ben Hur because all them bricks come out of it. So that's why this is probably about half a cube in there. Definitely ain't going anywhere, is it? Posts are in, so now we're going to start welding on the rails tomorrow, but we need to give it a few days to set off nice and hard before we go sheeting this and put a whole bunch of wind resistance on it. So we'll give it a few days to cure. Stay tuned for next episode.